Test mic 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Ang saya talaga ng mga malls, no, sa Philippines. Napaka-festive.
Fail naman yung... Well, not really fail, pero...
Of course, always.
But this is my POV now. That's Mojo Bells. Okay, go.
Good day, guys. It's your favorite Tito Chuck. It's my day 2 in Manila. And may mga gagawin tayong exciting things today. So just a brief background. So growing up, I would say na kami ay pinalaki ng maayos ng aming mga magulang. And hindi kami mayaman, pero I would say that we were comfortable. Pinag-aral naman po kami sa maayos na mga eskwelahan. So every year, every time I go back home sa Pilipinas, I make sure na nabibigyan ko naman sila ng maayos na things, or perhaps provide them with the things that they need. So, ayan. So today, I'm going to bring my mom sa grocery, and we're going to do a bagong-bagong challenge na hindi pa nagawa ng kahit sino pang vlogger sa Pilipinas. And that challenge is called Can't Say No Challenge. So it's a Can't Say No challenge. So I want to basically use this opportunity na para to give back and pasayahin ang aking parents, especially my mother. Because, of course, ang mga moms gustong-gusto nila na nag-grocery sila. At the same time, I understand na may mga napanood akong videos also na saying or showing kung how to squeeze in like 500 pesos for a Noche Buena. Because personally, I think hindi talaga siya kakayanin. So hindi po ako magpapaka-plastic na pagkasyahin ng 500 pesos para sa aming grocery and para sa aming family ngayon. I'll do my best na mabili yung mga kailangan ng parents ko, ng mother ko. So samahan niyo ako mamaya pag sinabi ko na sa kanya yung challenge na gagawin ko. And I hope na i-accept na yung challenge. I hope mag-agree siya sa challenge at sumama siya sa video. Ayan ako. Tumitingin siya dito. Let's go. And gaya na sinabi ko sa'yo kanina, meron tayong magiging challenge today. So I'm with my mother, Ma, aka Mudra Bells. So today, let's check kung i-accept niya yung challenge ng Can't Say No Challenge. Alam mo ba yung Can't Say No Challenge?
What can't say no challenge?
So basically, ang Can't Say No Challenge is lahat ng groceries na kukunin mo ay I cannot say no.
Can't say no challenge?
Ano ba? Kakainis. Kakainis. Outfit check. Naka-miniskirt siya.
I'm gonna get everything! Hey!
Wow. So, there, samahan niyo ako. Kami mag-grocery later. See ya! So, we're here na sa SNR. So, ready ka na?
Of course, always.
So guys, usually nag-host ako ng wine party with my cousins and some of my friends. I'm gonna find some wine. Magte-tequila ba tayo? That's a lie! Alright, so ito, merong buy two, get one. I'm gonna get this. So, dalawa na siguro bibilin. Because usually, pag mag-isa ako sa bahay, I would drink alone. For my mom, ang kanyang poison and her favorite is Asti Martini.
Yay.
Yeah. I might also get a tequila. Get
Chicken nuggets. Remember, ball.
nuggets. Guys, favorite ko yung salmon belly. Wow, tuna, ang sarap. Kumakain din ba kayo ng salmon belly? Gusto ko yun yung pina-fry ko, naglalagay lang ako ng cornstarch or a bit of flour or sometimes sinigang.
Very biscuit. What's that?
Indian na lang. Sure. Naglalagay ka ba ng meat?
Nilalagyan ba ng mixer? Ah, okay, that's different. Ano ba to?
Ah, okay. Okay, good.
Sorry.
Gravy lang.
Ah, ayan.
Yeah.
Yum, yum. Thank you, ate. Seryoso, ayoko ng ganitong angulo kasi yung double chin ko. Nakikita. Conscious. Usually, from Doha, nagdadala ako ng malalaking shampoo. This time, di ako nagdala because nagkaroon ako ng issue with my luggage. So, nag-iwan ako ng items sa grocery and then sabi ko sa kay Mudra Bells, dito na lang bumili. So there she goes. Tingin-tingin ng mga shampoo niya.
Hindi mga ganda shampoo.
Si Mudra, parang ang unhealthy naman ng mga pinagbibili. So, batch 1 pa lang ito ng bibili natin today because hindi niya nakita yung mga kailangan niya dito sa membership club na to. So, lilipat ka para you've got it all. Actually, nagugutom na ako eh. Ang haba ng pila. I hope you can hear me. Hello? Wow, vlogger. Ayun lang. So, hindi namin na-kompleto yung bibili namin today. Kaya, lilipat tayo ng grocery. Pero, kung mag-coffee muna and then kumain kasi medyo nagugutom na ako talaga. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch.
Kanino?
So magdi-dinner muna kami. We're here in Aristocrat. It's been what? 20 years na yata since the last time
Hindi ako
I've eaten in Aristocrat. Although wala pa yung food namin. So sobrang excited ako. Looking forward to the barbecue. So nag-grocery nga kami kanina. You can't say no challenge. Medyo fail kasi konti na naman kinuha niya. So yun, tapos na. Pero okay din. Ang saya talaga ng mga malls no sa Philippines. Napaka-festive pag Christmas season. Daming tao, daming decorations, tapos may Christmas music.
Sige nga, gusto ko.
Kamis. Tapos may most favorite time of the year, Christmas season.
Signal.
Hi, pero first up, nagugutom na ako. 15 to 20 minutes daw darating yung food. Tatawanan nila ako. Oh.
Ha? Yung tayong favorite. Yung sariwa.
Order siya ng lumpiang sariwa. So, mag-pork barbecue ako and then yung niece ko would have boneless chicken barbecue. And then of course, pumuha rin ako ng favorite, calamares. Ako favorite ko calamares. Then after eating, mag-grocery kami ulit because hindi nga kompleto yung binili ni mami kanina. Ni Mudra Bells. Pero this time, hindi na can't say no challenge. Normal grocery na lang.
Hindi mo daw sila. Yeah.
And then tomorrow, I'm gonna meet up with my cousins. Meron kaming konting celebration sa bahay. Kaya bumili ako ng mga wine, tequila, mga ganon. So while waiting for the food, sabi ni Mudra Bells, ba't di ko lagyan ng dancing vlog? Sabi ko, tapos na ako sa dancing era kasi before, mahilig ako mag-take ng videos sumasayaw, kaya di naman ako marunong sumayaw. Lagyan ko rin daw. Sabi ko, tapos na ako sa era na yan, vlogging era na tayo ngayon. So, bonus chicken.
Pork barbecue.
That's right.
Calamares po.
Yep. Calamares. Favorite ko talaga calamares.
Hindi ko.
Yes. Let's start.
Oh yeah, sarap. Ito favorite ko talaga. Alam mo, sobrang, ewan ko ba, ba't napakahilig ko sa calamares.
No?
Kaya gumagawa na lang ako sa bahay ng calamares. Ganyan.
May ganun syrup.
Konti.
Asin.
But I think I want suka. Excuse me. Sir, meron kayong vinegar? Suka. Thank you. Pagkatal mo sa apa, malate. Nakati dito ka lang. No, never. Tara, tara tayo. Kasi tuglog daw yan. Grabe, sobrang sarap ng barbecue ng Java rice. Na calamares. Yan.
Guys, so nakauwi na ako from the grocery. Hindi masyado successful yung can't say no challenge dahil parang naging normal grocery day lang naman eh. But I'm really happy that I was able to make my mom, Mudra, very happy today. As you know, kagaya sabi ko kanina, we were supposed to go to another supermarket kaya lang meron kaming dapat gawin dito sa bahay. So we had to go home agad-agad. And hindi ko na video yun after eating. So there, if there's something na kailangan ko pang ma-improve, like my editing or video skills, I hope you could share it. Like, if you could comment down below, ano ba yung pwede ko pang i-improve, and I would really appreciate reading those comments. Makakatulong din sa akin as your favorite Tito Chuck to improve his editing and video skills. So there you go, it's just a few days away from Christmas. I hope you and your family a happy, merry, and joyful Christmas. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love you.